Hello, my name is Tengku Muhammad Anwar Syafiq binti Zahiri, and I'm from class CS110-4F.
Hello and Assalamualaikum. My name is Syed Muhammad bin Syed Najib. In this video, I will discuss the answer of section A in question 3. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hanif bin Muhammad Naim. I am from CS110-3F.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Agizaham bin Muhammad and I am from class CS110-4F.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Arif Isan bin Sobri. I am from CS110-4F.
The first definition is standard deviation. A standard deviation is a statistic that measures the dispersion of a dataset relative to its mean. Next is variance, a statistical measurement of the spread between numbers in a dataset. Next is mean. The mean is the average you use to, where you add up all the numbers and then divide by the numbers of numbers. Mode is the value that appear most frequently in the dataset. Median is the middle value in the list of numbers. To find the median, your number have to be listed in numerical order from smallest to the largest.
Hello, today I will share the answer of questions 3 in section A. So, to find the mean value first, we have the formula of summation of our frequency multiplied with x divided by total of our observation. First, we need to identify our x, which is a variable. In order for us to identify our mean value, we need a single x value. Therefore, we have to come out with midpoint value. After we identify our x value, then we have to substitute all the values into the formula. So here we have our observation divided by total frequency equals to 22.4091. Okay, right now we need to find the standard deviation for the age of patients. So we just follow this formula here. In this formula, we need to find the frequency multiplied with x and frequency multiplied with square x. We just pick the frequency and the x only and multiply them, and we will get the total of this summation 4930. And for the frequency multiplied with x squared, we just square the x, and then we will get the total of summation 149,100. And then we put in this formula here, so we'll get the total of the standard deviation is 13.2801. So that's all from me. Thank you.
For question B, draw a less than ogive for the above data. Estimate the median from the ogive. To draw an ogive, we need to use class boundaries and cumulative frequency. To find the cumulative frequency, we need to add the number of patients from top to bottom. For example, 47 plus 58, 105, 105 plus 50, 155, and so on. For the graph, the y-axis is for frequency and the x-axis is for class boundary. And then we put a dot on the graph by referring to the class boundary and frequency. For example, 10, 47, 20, 105, 30, 155, and so on. To find the median, the formula is n divided by 2. N is the total number of the patient. So 220 divided by 2 is 110. And then we draw the line at 110 y-axis, and the x-axis of 110 is median. So median right here is 21.
Alright, I will answer for the question C, which is calculate patient coefficient of skewness of the patients at clinic Nusa Emas and determine the shape of the distribution. The formula for PCS is 3 times mean minus median and divide by standard deviation. In earlier question, we get the answer, which is mean is 22.4091 and median is 21 and standard deviation is 13.2801. So we know the answer, we must input all the answer mean and median and standard deviation into this PCS formula. Then we will finish for the numerator section, which is we can get 4.2273 and be divide by 13.2801, and we'll get for the final answer, which is 0.3183. So that we will get the final answer, which is PCS 0.3183. For the conclusion, the distribution is skewed to the right because the PCS is positive.
Assalamualaikum. So I will be answering question D. So from the question given, we know that the mean of Klinik Majujaya is 42 years old and variance of Klinik Majujaya is 301 years old. And from the previous questions, we know that the mean of Klinik Nusa Emas is 22.4091 years old and the standard deviation of Klinik Nusa Emas is 13.2801 years old. So in order to find the consistency, we must use the formula of coefficient of variation or CV by using standard deviation and mean. So we can calculate CV of CMJ and CV of CNE by this. So from the calculation, we will get the consistency, which is CV of CMJ is 41.31% and CV of CNE is 59.26%. Since Klinik Majujaya has smaller coefficient of variation than Klinik Nusa Emas, Klinik Majujaya is more consistent. Thank you.